Oppo Reno 13 and 13 Pro. These are the brand's latest mid-range models and bring various improvements over its predecessors. So now, here's a list of every upgrade that the base Reno 13 brings over the Reno 12. Oppo Reno 13 and 13 Pro launched with Dimensity 8350, 6.83 inches, 1.5K display, 50 megapixel cameras, and 5800 mAh battery. Oppo has officially launched the Reno 13 series in China, introducing two models, the Reno 13 and Reno 13 Pro. With a sleek design, powerful features, and cutting-edge technology, the series aims to deliver a premium smartphone experience at competitive pricing. The Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.59 inches, 1.5K flat AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 2760 by 1256 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It reaches up to 1200 nits peak brightness and supports 38840Hz PWM dimming for reduced eye strain. The Reno 13 Pro steps up with a larger 6.83 inches, 1.5K, 2800 by 1272 pixels curved AMOLED display, delivering an immersive viewing experience with the same high refresh and touch sampling rates. Both smartphones are equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, 4nm up to 3.35 GHz, and Mali G615 MC6 GPU, delivering smooth gaming and multitasking performance. They also include a custom X1 network acceleration chip for enhanced connectivity, X-axis linear motors, and a gaming-focused cloud computing private network for ultra-low latency and high-speed gameplay. The Reno 13 series, running Android 15 with ColorOS 15, offers enhanced customization and a seamless user interface. It supports live photo sharing with iPhones and popular apps like Weibo and Douyin, allowing users to edit and share live photos with watermarked frames for improved social media interactions. The Oppo Reno 13 series impresses with advanced camera features. The Reno 13 has a dual camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor with OIS for sharp low-light shots and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It includes a 50-megapixel front camera that supports 4K 60fps video recording, ideal for selfies and video calls. The Reno 13 Pro upgrades to a triple camera system with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel 3.5x periscope telephoto lens supporting up to 100x digital zoom. It also features the same 50-megapixel front camera and adds advanced features like 4K 60fps video, portrait modes, and AI enhancements for a professional-grade photography experience. Coming to the battery life, the Reno 13 packs a 5600 mAh battery, while the Reno 13 Pro includes a slightly larger 5800 mAh battery. Both models support 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups. The Pro version adds 50 watts Air VOOC wireless fast charging. The Reno 13 series features a premium metallic middle frame, an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, and dual stereo speakers. In terms of connectivity, they include 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB Type-C. The devices are rated IP66, IP68, and IP69 for superior dust and water resistance, with an innovative underwater camera feature. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.